Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I finally got my hands on Ekaami's brand new launch, the ultimate unwinding kit. So if you don't know, Ekaami is a beautiful Indian brand started by Mitali. Yes, the Mitali, this side YouTuber. I genuinely like her videos so much, and so I ordered the kit. So this packaging looks very nicely wrapped and all secure and clean, and see that handwritten card of thank you, so beautiful. आपको उल्टा दिख रहा होगा. लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम द बैक कैमरा. So see, this is that. You can see the handwritten card. And look at that mini cards, mood boosting cards. They are like so cute. This is tote bag. Let us see first the mood boost cards. They are really nice, but वहाँ पे छोटा सा I don't know what is that, but वहाँ पे किसी का कुछ तो भी मार्क था. And there are so many moods cards, and they are really so nice and very helpful. And next we have tote bag. This is so cute. I am obsessed with it, and this is perfect for books, stationery, or even a grocery run. And next we have a plain notebook kind of thing, chambers of secrets written on it, and it's the page quality is so good, really so good. Then we have a wax sachet kind of thing, but actually I kind of not like the smell. I don't know why. वो मुझे साबुन जैसी कुछ स्मेल आ रही थी, कोई तो भी साबुन जैसी थोड़ी स्मेल आ रही थी. इट्स गुड बट इट्स नॉट माई टाइप. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट मुझे थोड़ी अजीब लगी इसकी स्मेल. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ पेन, रियली क्यूट पेन, और मुझे वो टिक टिक वाले पेन्स बहुत पसंद है. सो आई विल बी लाइकिंग दिस पेन. कमेंट डाउन इफ़ यू ऑल्सो लाइक दैट टिक टिक वाले पेन. The brand name Ekaami is written on the pen. Next we have really cute bookmark. It's so nice. And then next we have stickers. They are so nice. पता नहीं मैं इन्हें यूज़ भी करूँगी या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने स्टिकर्स रखे रहते हैं कि मैं उनको बाद में यूज़ करूँगी, कभी तो भी यूज़ करूँगी, बट मैं आई एंड अप नॉट यूजिंग दैम. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव रियली क्यूट coloring book. And if you guys want to know, I am going to post again a review after using each of that items. So stay tuned to subscribe to my channel for that video also. If you want to know, I will be posting the video of coloring this book also. And we have our last product, that is our journal. The quality of the journal is so good, like the hardcover, it's so nice. You can feel it. And I will be posting all the review after using it, maybe after 15 days or 1 month or 2 months. It's a journal, and if you are beginner, you don't know how to do it, you will end up doing the journal so nicely because it is a guided. हर एक पेज पे आपको लिखा हुआ दिखेगा, वहाँ पे मेंशन है तुम्हें कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं. ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स आर मेंशन. इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट, you will end up writing. And I too loved it so much. So this was all for today's video. Do subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below. Okay, bye.